In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an API key in HubSpot with this comprehensive guide for 2025. To begin with, let's head over to the trial guide. This is the first step on your way to obtaining an API key. You can access it through the HubSpot website by navigating to the specific link provided in the description below this video. Once you're on the trial guide page, the next thing you'll want to do is look for the settings option. You'll find this typically located in the upper corner of the page, depending on your specific configuration. Click on this settings icon to proceed to the next phase of your journey. It might be worth noting that the user interface can sometimes look a bit different depending on recent updates, but the settings icon should be universally recognizable as the place to adjust your HubSpot preferences. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll need to find the Integrations tab. This is a pivotal step because HubSpot stores a range of integration options under this tab. Look for the tab that says Integrations and click on it. Once you've clicked on Integrations, you'll need to make sure you've selected it again if required. It may sound redundant, but some changes in the interface sometimes require a re-click or confirmation click to ensure you're on the right page, since HubSpot integrates multiple tools and apps, making it a hub for digital business operations. This double check helps make sure you're in the right place without getting you lost. After confirming that you're on the correct integrations page once more, direct your attention to the option labeled Private Apps. Click on it, and here's where things start to align towards your goal of acquiring that API key for personal use or development purposes. Remember, each private app can have several unique API keys, which are crucial for developers looking to connect to HubSpot's data and services securely. After clicking on Private Apps, you will land on an exclusive page dedicated to private app configurations. Here you can create new apps or manage existing ones, which in return will give you unique API keys for accessing HubSpot services. Just one final click allows you to review or generate an API key linked to your private app. This essential step completes your mission. You've now successfully navigated through HubSpot to find and manage your API keys within private apps. This process should streamline your integration needs with minimal fuss, ensuring you remain connected to vital information and functionalities within HubSpot. As you continue to explore and work with HubSpot's APIs, remember to keep your API keys secure and rotate them regularly for security purposes. Stay tuned for more tutorials and feel free to leave your questions or comments down below. Thank you for watching.